Hey everyone, welcome back to NIEJ's Tips, the channel where I break down the best tech and AI tools so you don't have to waste time testing them yourself. Have you ever wanted to create videos? You might find it daunting. Today, I will introduce you to Pictory.AI. It transforms text into engaging videos. By the end, you'll know how to create videos effortlessly. Start with your script. It's simple to get going. Think about your idea. Next, enter your content into Pictory.AI. The AI analyzes your text. It identifies key themes and vital points. Then, the platform suggests visuals that match your content. For example, consider your passions, like cooking or travel. Now, Pictory.AI generates a storyboard from your text. It adds visuals and animations automatically. You can review the video next. Make adjustments to fit your vision. Add music or text overlays to enhance appeal. Finally, share your creation on social media. Engage with viewers and gather feedback. With Pictory.AI, anyone can create stunning videos. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Grab your phone and start now. Remember, the more you practice, the better your videos will become. Apply what you've learned today.